that we just played, that one has to listen to the sentence what is told by you and he has to pass it on. In that, how can I say I am responsible? Because whatever message I got, I listened to the I first confirmed whether I am right, I have listened it right, and then I passed it on, thinking that कि मैं कुछ गलत मैसेज ना पास करूँ आगे. So then उसके बाद भी अगर end में अगर गलत मैसेज आता है, तो how can I say I am responsible for this? Because whatever message I got, I passed it on the same message.
So how can you be sure that you got the right message?
No, I wasn't sure it was right.
You assumed it is right.
Yeah.
Good. You told someone, he also took whatever you want, but he took it something else other than whatever you told. Something he changed. Right? So, responsibility, now you are equating responsibility into the action, whether what he listened was proper, what you told, or what he did not tell. Responsibility doesn't matter. Let's say I told you something and you understood, I told you ABC, but you understood MNO. Yet I am responsible. I told you something, you did not listen to me. Yet I am responsible. But you are equating responsibility into action. It has nothing to do with action. It's to do with, am I okay whether you followed me or no? Am I okay whether you listened to me 100 out of 100 or 50 out of 100? Am I okay whether you want to follow me or not to follow me? Am I okay if you have opposite opinion about me or opposite rai about me? Am I okay is what is leadership. Am I okay is what is responsibility. If I am not okay, my natural outcome of not okayness I will start doing towards you. Say loudly.
Yeah, blaming.
Most of the husbands, they blame the wives. Most of the wives, they blame the husbands. What they are saying? Okay, I am right. Every boss, most of the bosses blame the subordinate employees. Most of the employees blame the bosses. Most of the parents, they blame the children. Most of the children blame the parents. Yes or no? So, a leader is, we say, the other is also true. I am right, you are also right. Now, out of two people right, then who has to win at that particular? Every moment someone is winning, no? So who wins?
Who is in okayness?
Who is in okayness? Okayness means drop your head at that particular moment. वो moment में drop. You learn to how to drop your head. Drop your head का मतलब है learn to drop the logical mind. Because how much ever you try to explain to a person who does not want to listen, who is not in the frame to listen, if he is in 20, 30, 40 number, he or she is not in the frame, how much ever truth you are maybe, Nita, he or she is not going to listen because he is not in that frequency what you are talking. So best is, yes sir, yes. So if I try to explain to someone not listening, I'll say, okay, you're right. That means you know, yes. And I simply go away. Because my energy I don't want to spend on trying to convince someone who does not want to be convinced. So you win. आप जीते, मैं हारा. The person who can say, आप जीते, मैं हारा, he is actually the winner. Because that person is keeping attention inside. I told you now I like this. I told you. He is telling himself. And he is saying, I told you now I am a loser anyway. But he is more peaceful. He is okay. The person who is not wanting to listen, he is not okay. He is not open. So actually he is the loser, but he thinks he is the winner. And actually the loser is the winner because he knows there is no point putting his energy on that person. Got it? So always it is that lady, I am responsible first. Then the other is also responsible. But I can change myself. I can't change anyone else. I can transform myself, but I can't transform anyone else. This is leadership. So all the time you are at peace. Got it?